So this is an actual control room for a billing account. So if you have a client where they are using central billing, so the one office does the billing, and there's lots of child satellite accounts, each with their own control rooms using the service, but the billing is centralized, then this is what the centralized billing company can actually be given. So if we click on here, you'll see billing and accounts. So the pro forma invoice, well, it simply summarizes what's going on. So you can see the date that it was created, the basic invoice details. So in this case, it's an enterprise license, the price, it's monthly, number of child accounts. So you can see right away how many accounts are running under this centralized billing. Reports that are included, and again that should be accumulated for all the accounts. And they're probably, when you're creating the actual invoice, you can also have the option to add a description of the service, which wasn't done in this example here. And you can see what that the service is running, the amount per month, and the dates that it's running from and to. Other information that we can see, we can actually go in and look at the payment history. So this will show each monthly payment that has been made. So again, very important. And there is the option here to view the details of the receipt, if you like, and the VAT receipt. And finally, you can actually see, so in this one we already were told that there was 2 child accounts underneath this billing account, and you can see the actual login and password. That's the login, that's the password of the accounts that are running, including the unique account ID. So these are useful things if any billing account needs to raise an issue with PeopleMaps or with us, and to make sure that everything's as it should be. There's also the contact email address of the child account. So this is all about the child accounts. What you can also see is the number of candidates that each account has processed and registered with them, number of users as well, and the number of reports actually used as well. That can appear in here. And most interestingly, the date, the last logged in date that the child. So let's just see if the child account user is actually using the account. So you can see the system will register when they've logged in to use the system. So although you might see it with these numbers here, once these numbers get pretty big, really what you're looking for is this here. So if it's not been used, then, and the company's paying for it, then they would want to know about that. So and also it lets them see who's using it a lot and who's not using it at all. So that's what the billing account looks like. This is so the client who's actually getting the invoice, the centralized payment place, and paying the bill, then this is the information that they're interested in, and you can give them this, a login to this control room, and they can see at a glance exactly what's going on.